solve x cube minus 7x plus 6 greater than 0. So here inequality is present. So for x you will get set of values satisfying this inequality. Clear so far? Now how do we solve it? See here. Initially I will not consider the inequality. I will take it to be equal to 0. And now I will solve and get the values for x. Okay. Solve x cube minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. They told us to solve this means we need to find the value of x. Now how do we find it? See. Remember, even in quadratic equation we used to change x term. Here also the same thing. I will change this x term by what? In place of minus 7x, I will be writing minus 1x minus 6x. Okay. And plus x as it is. Next. From these two, what can I take common? X. So here I am left with x square minus 1. From these two, I can take minus 6, I will take common. So I get x minus 1. If doubt, you can multiply and see. Clear? Next. To simplify this, I will put a square on 1. Even if I put a square on 1, it's not going to change anything. Now, why did I put a square on 1? Such that I can make use of this formula. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b. Now, here a is x, b is 1. So, this will become x minus 1 times x plus 1 minus 6 x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, next. What can I take common from these two? Did you get the catch? I can take x minus 1 common from both. If I take x minus 1 common, here left with these two. And here I am left with 6. Next, open this up. So what do I get? X square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Now, what will you do? This is a quadratic. So factorize it. And how do we factorize? Again I change the x term only. And how do I change? In place of plus 1x, now I will be writing plus 3x minus 2x. Okay, I am not teaching factorization, I am writing directly. If you want to learn factorization, see factorization playlist. Okay, next. Minus 6 equal to 0. Now, what can I take common from these two? X. So I am left with x plus 3. Here I am left with x plus 3 means here also it should be x plus 3. From this, x has gone inside means outside should be minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, next. So this I will be writing here now. So it is x minus 1. From these two, I will take x plus 3 common. So here I am left with x, here I am left with minus 2. Okay. Next, how do I get x? Take each bracket equal to 0. This entire product should be equal to 0. That could only happen if this equal to 0 or this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. So if x minus 1 equal to 0, add 1 on both sides. So I get x to be 1. If x plus 3 equal to 0, take minus 3 on both sides. So x equal to minus 3. If x minus 2 equal to 0, add plus 2 on both sides. So this cancel out, x equal to 2. So these are the values of x for our given equation. Okay. Once I solve, I get x values to be minus 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Now you should show these values of x on the number line like this. Minus 3 will be here, 1 over here, 2 over here. Now the number line is divided into 4 parts. Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Now which part is our answer? How do we decide? Is C. In this region there will be 0. So replace x equal to 0 in this. So when I replace x equal to 0, this will be gone, leaving you plus 6. Plus 6 is positive. If this is positive, before that negative. Positive, after that negative. Negative, after that positive. The signs will change alternately. It is a rule. Minus plus like that. Okay, now. Which part on the number line is your answer? How do you decide that? Means based on this one. Here it is greater than 0. That means positive values. So positive part on the number line is your answer. So positive part is this one and also this one. Now how do I represent this region? Minus 3 less than x less than 1. And how do I represent this? X greater than 2. So these are our set of values for x. Clear?